Hey there! Welcome to our YouTube video, where we dive into a common problem that users may encounter with OneDrive. So, imagine this scenario. You're trying to sign into OneDrive on your domain-managed laptop, but you're stuck in a frustrating loop of signing in and loading prompts. After multiple attempts, you're hit with an error message, error code 0x8004D44, that offers little help when you try to troubleshoot online. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. So, after some digging, it turns out that the issue seems to be specific to the user on that particular device. The workaround involves deleting the user registry key in the specified path and renaming the user folder to preserve files. By doing this, you disconnect the profile from OneDrive, allowing you to access your files while bypassing the sign and loop issue. It's a bit of a workaround, but it gets the job done without losing your important data. In summary, encountering signing in issues with OneDrive on a specific device can be quite a headache. However, by following the workaround of deleting the user registry key and renaming the user folder, you can access your files while bypassing the problem. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!